In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate quantity with price in Microsoft Lists. Whether you're managing inventory, tracking sales, or organizing projects, being able to compute total costs directly within your lists can be incredibly useful, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, let's open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Lists. This is your starting point to accessing or creating your lists. Once you've arrived at the Microsoft Lists homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see the Sign In option there. Click on it. Now, if you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might find yourself automatically signed in, which is quite convenient. If not, you will need to enter your email address and password to access your account. Remember, it's essential to double-check the email and password to avoid any sign-in errors. Once you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to the specific list or library where you wish to add a calculated column. This step is pivotal because the calculated column will directly pull data from the existing columns within this list to perform its calculations. After locating your list, look for the option to add a new column. Typically, you would see a plus ADD column button. Go ahead and click on it, and from the list of options, choose Number. This ensures that your calculated results, which represent total costs, are treated numerically for accuracy and further computations if needed. Moving on to the Name and Type section, this is where you'll provide a name for your new column. It's advisable to give it a descriptive title like Total Cost, so that its purpose is easily identifiable at a glance. Now, let's make use of the More Options menu. In this section, you're going to set up your column's formula, crucial for calculating price by quantity. Under Column Validation, you'll see a formula box. Here, you must enter your calculation formula. Make sure to reference the actual names of your existing columns by placing them within square brackets, using the asterisk sign to denote multiplication. A typical formula might look something like quantity, price. Once you've entered the formula accurately, you're all set to finalize the new column by clicking OK. This action completes the creation of your calculated column, and you should be able to see it now in your list, automatically computing the total cost as per your formula whenever it receives input. And there you have it. You've successfully added a calculated column in Microsoft Lists that multiplies quantity by price, displaying an automatic total cost. This should make the process of tracking and managing data in your lists more efficient. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.